Hi, this is Angie Tonini-Rogers. I am your nurse in Realty, and I am bringing you your Regency Woods and Windemere Place neighborhood reports. And let's start with Windemere Place because it only had one house that sold, and the most recent house that sold in Windemere was in October. There are no current listings in there now. It was a house that was a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, double-story, 2-story brick house, partially finished basement, about 2,800 square feet, and it actually sold for $375,000. It was listed for $389,000. And like I said, no other listings in the neighborhood right now. For Regency Woods, there were 5 houses that were sold for December to December. Happy New Year. It's January 1st, 2022. Welcome to your new year. Anyway, Regency Woods, 5 houses, one of which actually sold once one of my agents in our brokerage at Homepage Realty took it over. It just goes to show you how important an aggressive realtor with an aggressive marketing plan is to you when you are ready to sell, because this particular house that did not sell, it did not sell for almost 4 months with another company, another realtor. And when she took it over, it sold in less than 23 days. So again, it's just important on who you choose, making sure that that realtor is someone that knows the neighborhood and also is someone that has an aggressive marketing plan. That one sold for $445,000, and the other houses that sold in the last year are going to be between $330,000 and $500,000. The most recent sale was a ranch, and it was $500,000, and that was in September of this year. There are no listings in Regency Woods, so if you are thinking of selling, this is obviously a great time to do so. Anybody looking in that neighborhood, and again, the reason I do Windemere Place and Regency Woods together is just because of the proximity. Neighborhoods are a little bit different, styles of homes and price points even are a little bit different, but when someone's looking for a higher end home, and I consider Windemere Place and Regency Woods higher end homes, when someone's looking maybe a little bit outside of St. Regis Park, to a little bit higher, they're going to be looking in Windemere Place or Regency Woods. And that's why I do those two together. You are going to realize that there is a very low inventory. So anybody looking, if anything goes up for sale in the Windemere Place or the Regency Woods, that's going to be a very low supply. And so that just automatically creeps up the demand for that house and price a lot of the time. So it's a great time to sell when the inventory in the neighborhood is so low. When you're the only one to be compared to, then you have a little bit more flex, and it just higher demand tends to equal higher price. So that is your neighborhood report for December to December for Regency Woods and Windemere Place. If you have any questions at all, reach out to me by either text or email. My text is 502-210-8880. Thanks so much, and make it a great day.